our way to track 13 to catch the Coast Starlight here at LA Union Station.
I get it if we're on the road because we don't afford it. But it's on the train.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
As we pass under the Pasadena Freeway, formerly the Arroyo Seco, there is an old station called Dayton. The reason it's called Dayton is because before these two were connected, this northern part of Figueroa was called Dayton Avenue. We passed the old homestead from the old Taylor Yard, which used to be the largest in Southern California, now a park. By the way, it was named after a mill that was called Taylor Mill. Here on the number 14 Starlight, going to Santa Barbara, hoping and yet missing again a chance to have a Dina Fina. No breakfast again. The world famous French toast is not available because the breakfast is not available. Don't get me started. And I don't think we're going to do lunch. Look at these choices. Makes me want to barf. Oh well. Maybe we'll have a burger in Santa Barbara. Again on the Starlight, no meal service. That's the 4th out of 5 times I've tried.
What size pants do you wear, Charles?
He's a medium.